Hey YouTube, it's Tyler, also known as Frosty T, also now known as Passive Princess, bringing you all things passive to create generational wealth because we don't lay on our backs, we lay in the bank. So if you're seeing this video and you're OG to my YouTube and you're like, who the hell, I'm not subscribed to no Passive Princess. Yes you are, that's me. I just outgrew my old Frosty T name. It's always gonna be a part of me, so don't be surprised if y'all see me getting a chain with it on soon. But I just feel like 23, about to turn 24 in the new 2025 quarter century year, I had to switch some things up. But if you can't tell by the title of this video, I will be showing you guys how to load up a new broker. If you are interested in trading in the foreign exchange market, you can also trade indices, you can trade gold and also crypto with this broker as well, because if you can't also tell by the title, Metatrader 4 is becoming dead. A couple of years ago, I'll say probably around 2021, 2022, Apple and Android took Metatrader 4 and 5 off of the Apple Store and the Play Store, and it wasn't available to new users to download. They then since put it back, but if you are a US client, you're not able to really get in touch with some of the OG brokers to put money on their platform to trade. So Hugo's way, you can't trade it. Trader's way, you can't trade it on Metatrader 4. I want to say KOT Forex as well. If you have not been trading with these platforms since, you know, way back when, you're not able to do that now. And it's becoming a lot harder for people that's inside of the US market to actually make money in the foreign exchange market, because they're trying to cut down on unregulated brokers and switch over to regulated brokers, which you know that regulated brokers only allow you to have a leverage of 50 to 1. Unregulated brokers, you can usually get to a leverage of 500 to 1, sometimes even 1,000 to 1. So I have a new broker that I've been working with, been with them for like a couple of weeks now. I really like them, and so I'm gonna just show you guys how to actually load the account. And then the broker is fairly new, so it's still got a little bit of tweaks that needs to be had with the broker. So I'm also going to show you guys how to log into the account and things of that nature. Also, just want to throw something out there. I have a beginner Forex guide. So if you guys are trying to get in touch with me and y'all want to like get any type of signals, any type of trading signals, trying to get back into trading, if you haven't been trading for a while or you're just looking for a trading community, if you get that beginner Forex guide, even if you're not a beginner with Forex trading, if you get it, it's only $66. And I might even put a discount code for the YouTube video in the description. I have access, or you'll have access to a free signals chat, and it's gold signals in there, indices, and regular Forex trading pairs. It's not any crypto signals, but gold, indices, and regular Forex signals are in that. All you have to do is get the ebook, and then after you get the ebook, make your broker account with the link that I have in the description and load the broker account. That's literally it, and then you'll have access to a free signals chat. You'll never get kicked out of it. It's not a monthly fee for it, anything like that. Let me just get into the video showing y'all how to load the account. So the easiest way to load your trading account is going to be through Cash App. Now, if your Cash App burnt, you can't use Cash App, I'll probably make another video in the future on how to do it with Coinbase or how to do it with Bitcoin.com or any of the other apps. But right now, we're gonna talk about Cash App because, you know, every 8 in 10 people have a Cash App, and like I said, it's probably the easiest method that you're gonna find to be able to input money into your trading account. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on Cash App. Y'all see I already got $20 in there, so I'm gonna just stick with the 20. You're gonna click on buy, and then I'm gonna just do 20 like I said, and then it's gonna go to next, confirm, and then you're gonna press done. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to go over to the broker. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the 3 lines at the top, and then you're gonna press deposit. You're gonna press deposit again, and then where it says USD, you're gonna keep it like that. You're gonna put the currency on USD if it's not, and then the amount. Now, in order to get inside the signals chat, you have to do a minimum of $100 inside of your account. But y'all gonna see me type in 20 because that's what I did for my Cash App. So 20, you're gonna press deposit. Oh, well, the minimum is 50 actually, so I'm gonna have to change that. So you're gonna do 50 and press deposit. For y'all, 100 though to get into the signals chat. I'm gonna press the currency, Bitcoin, proceed to payment. Then up here where you see it says send Bitcoin to this address, and then it has a big address. You're gonna copy all of that. You're gonna go back over to Cash App, and then you're gonna click the 2 arrows on your Cash App, and then you're gonna press send Bitcoin, and then you're gonna type in however much you put. And then you're gonna paste the entire Bitcoin wallet address in, click it, and then you're gonna hit next, and then you're gonna hit send. Now, once you're done doing that, now usually to send money on Bitcoin, it'll probably take a little bit of time, anywhere from like an hour to, I say 5 hours. It shouldn't take more than a day. If it takes more than a day, it's a support, so you could just contact the support and ask them what's going on with your deposit. All right, so once your money is on your account, you should see it in your balance. You're going to click the 3 lines at the top, and what you're going to do is you're going to go to downloads. This is how you download the app to trade with. You're going to go to downloads. If you go to Android, download it on Android. Apple, download it on Apple. Desktop browser, all of that, download it to according to what you have. I have an iPhone that I'm working on right now, so I'm gonna do that. And then you're going to install the app using this little toggle bar right here, and then you're gonna place it on your home screen. Press add. Cool. Now to log in, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back, click the 3 lines at the top, and go to your dashboard. And so for your login, those numbers that are at the top, the 50267 blah blah blah, you're gonna type that in. And then for the password, you're going to go right here, and you're going to press, it's going to email you a password. If it doesn't email you a password, you're going to press change password, and then you just enter a password that you want to use, and then it'll be in there, and you'll be able to log in. Don't give nobody your password, because then they're going to have access to your trading account. So once I finish that, I'm logged into my live trading account, and this is where I am able to trade. And like I said, if you want, so now I got my live trading account, I'm all set, I'm all ready to go, I'm all ready to trade. So now all I gotta do is get access to, or all you have to do is get access to the signals chat. If you want to be able to trade with free reign and want to be able to trade safely with people that are experienced in the field, you could go ahead, get access to the signal chat. Now also, if you're somebody that's new to trading and you want more help when it comes down to trading, I do have a trading community as well. It is $250 to join the trading community, which is different from the signal chat. The signal chat is literally just telling you what trades to get into in order to make money. So if you don't want to actually learn a skill, you just want to be able to copy paste, go about your day, and you good, okay, the signal chat is free as long as you purchase the ebook. Now, if you want to dive deeper, a little bit deeper into Forex, you want to be able to meet other people in your area that also trade, get one-on-one help, have access to a little bit more products that's not only just a signal chat, but other signals chats outside of the one that you're going to get for free as well, then you want to go ahead and get the $250 to be inside of my trading community. And you can also hit me up in my contact information for that. All my contact information is going to be below, my business number, my email, my social medias that I use. So you can hit me up on any one of those. And then if you guys have any questions, let me know. I always say I'm going to be more active on YouTube, but I got some good crazy stuff planned for 2025. So y'all just got to make sure y'all put my notifications on and stick beside me, because I'm not going to leave y'all. I just, I got to get it together. But other than that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.